You still can't pull the trigger. There shouldn't be any enemy soldiers left around here, so we shouldn't have to fight anyone this time. But if you carry on the way you are, you're going to get killed. I'm almost out of ammo though. So let's go to the supply point first, and then start patrolling the town.
I was an utter failure of a soldier. I can't engage in combat. I can't even protect anything. As a soldier, even as a person, I live my life half-baked, unable to accomplish anything. It was another one of those days.
Damn it, it's an ambush. Return fire.
No, I can't pull the trigger.
What are you doing? You'll die if you don't shoot. Crap, I'm out of ammo. We need to go restock. What are you doing? Hurry up. We need to regain our footing. You still haven't been able to pull the trigger, right? Been remembering what I said about the first bullet? Well, it's fine. When I'm done, I'll go out the back window. I'll be back when I finish things up. So stay hidden here until then. You got it?
Even I knew I could do nothing of use. My half-baked self followed his orders, unable to do anything but hide away quietly, praying I wouldn't be found. I thought I'd find an inconspicuous spot for the time being, and hide for dear life.
Is anyone in here? You got more ammo, right? What? Are you too scared to fight me? Found you. Oi, what's wrong with you? Not even brave enough to fire a gun? Shall I give you a demonstration? Three, 2, 1. Let this be a lesson. People with no resolve will never amount to anything. Action is necessary to protect something. We have to make sacrifices in order to move forward. Don't you dare think you're the only one who feels conflicted.
Hey! That's right. Hurry up. You're finally here. I've been waiting for you. It's like, who am I? Like you're talking to yourself? Just kidding. Sometimes those kinds of... By the way, I really can't believe... Instead of objects being destroyed, it's like that expression. Actually, that gun you... And, as you... So you can have it. You might know this already, but I'm totally... I don't have the courage to hurt anything. And in the end, I start telling me to think carefully about... But you know... For the time being, so feel free to call me with you barefoot and in pajamas. I guess we're fighting our or something. Well, I'm not entirely sure where, but let's use your power to keep going.
You know, we're called weeds, both individually and collectively. There's a lot of drama happening in the ground when you casually step over. What kind of drama, you ask? Do the doors exist to open? Or to close? Where do you think doors have eyes? On the part that faces outside? Or the inside? Don't step on us too much. It may not be such a big deal for you humans, but for us, it's a total disaster.
Hey, my mom and dad have been arguing a lot. Why do they still? If they didn't talk from the beginning, they would. Actually, I'd like to hear the piano that was played near here one last.
Don't step on us too much. Where do you think doors have eyes? Beside the bench, even in a seemingly unchanging view. Do the doors exist to open?
There's a lot of drama happening in the ground and casually step on.
Ivy probably look like we're just hanging on the wall,
Don't step on us too much.
What do you think is the most important thing in life? Let's keep going for now. People pass each other by. It's not just humans. There are many things you may not even know, but you mustn't forget, life is finite. And I think the most beautiful are when coincidental paths intersect. Well, it looks like this is where the boys dream. Let's go take a look.
We're moving soon.
So I'm telling you to pack up your stuff.
I don't want to go home because I don't want to move in the first place.
You're always wondering. I keep telling you, did you tell the girl that you always play with?
Shut up, Mom.
In this era, do you have confidence in your own perception? Do you think your judgment of good and evil? Do you think you perceive things from multiple perspectives? The person you consider to may actually be good for their white could be black, and black could be white. Is the me you see right now the real me? And is there a way to prove? Is there even a need to prove it in the could there truly always be countless? I am bound by circumstance to divide. Try to correctly perceive me. When you come to think you've correctly perceived, assume that a pit perhaps capturing beauty is like letting you sinking deeper. Once you've fallen, you might not even need as you simply dive deeper to see how this world. I hope you can find an answer. It's not just that there. Enjoy it, don't suffer, dive deeper. When you begin to suffocate, don't forget to breathe. But when you resurface from the depths, many will seek the answer from you. What did you find at the ocean's bottom?
To a regular householder like me, a door on a vehicle is something special. That's all.
I'm longing for a door that's a little older that makes a nice squeaky sound when you open it. Isn't it cooler than me? Lately, it's become a trend.
just a door. I don't care if people say I have no personality. That's how I choose to live my life.
We doors would like to be something more meaningful than just dividing spaces. All sorts of things and creatures live with their own unique feelings. I think that's wonderful. I keep waiting for humans to talk to me, but they don't speak to me at all.
Just because something looks like a human doesn't necessarily mean it talks like one.
It's rude to. Well, that's some. Can I see it? The things that no one pays attention when you look closely can start to grow on you and become fun. Oh, pull. Nowadays, when people see these things, they sometimes think of the damage at the very least and cherish it with all. My heart.
Did you hear that too? I thought I heard a strange sound. Maybe there's a monster? It sounds scary. Can you go check it out?
I'm just a door.
Sorry for getting to the bell was a lot. I wonder if the bell really. I don't even. Mom, could you tell that to my family?
Whoa, wow. Could it? It's drooling and dead.
We're the mascots here. We're trained to say angel. Occasionally, we may say something unpleasant.
My eyes, I think. When you get older, you stop being able to.
this is fun. Are you having fun here? Found something again? I wonder where these things were and what they were doing yesterday before they ended up in my hands today.
Your existence itself. But isn't that just a polite way of saying?
Coming here is always. Objects in this world are, even if they're made of the same, they each have their own story, at least from humanity's perspective.
I know, but I personally, at least, this is, but I wouldn't complain if they.
Don't be imprisoned by your past. When it's said like this, love is the key to find. But what do people who couldn't find a key end up?
The trash can's a throwaway trash. Someday, I'll become trash too.
This monument is interesting. I should have saved my ring when I got. Who could have thought these types of views? Mr. Cricket is certainly a strange person.
It's nice and comfy.
Do doors exist to open to the right?
Which love is the key?
There are lots of creatures living in this.
It's rude to interrupt. Well, bring something again? Oh, Someone, what kind of story? I don't think I could get oh, and I also forgot. Don't you say it's because you can have them if you want. How you choose to use.
What do you want to get? Guess I have no choice. However, if it smells like wild stuff.
Oh, I'm so bored. Then again, kids don't really come here much, so I'm left with nothing.
Children sometimes spend too much on me and get dizzy, ending up resting in the park. But over time, I'm sure I'll turn into a good man.
Is there bring something again? Looking closely at something that was once another's possession makes you wonder what kind of person they were. I think it's fun. Found something again? It may look from today. It's going to be something that's important to me. Found something again? It's hard to say what the point is, but there are things you can't throw away. Is there a job in existence that lets me do nothing?
I'm here because if many trees were to sprout,
Is there a job in existence that lets me do nothing?
hey there, in the past, the old man, he was very relaxed. He was one of the few people I don't just let anyone. Instruments can choose who gets to, the bell no longer rings, and so there's that said, because if I were to hear of you, I might just allow someone to play again.
That's right. And the performances I always used to. Maybe if the bell rang. For now, the bell has to ring.
Well, found something again? someone either dropped or threw away. Differentiating is hard. Well, I'm just pretending to read though.
That boy it's our rite of passage for when the bell rings. They are not, but if the bell, well, it is.
Looks like it's well, won't the humans be suspicious of?
Which mole decide I can enjoy my, but I think to be honest, I'm